So the idea is brilliant and it works brilliantly, with one slight problem: it ripped. So and I didn't bring my inflatable mattress. I was a bit brain fucked today, so yeah, it didn't get brought. Oh, it's on the outside. Bugs. It's a great idea, but it's too thin, it's too weak. I mean, it's not the thinness that's the problem, it's the fact that it's too weak, that's the problem. The polytunnel plastic I've got would do the same job. It would act like a windbreak. So what I might do is buy, if I can find it, a 3x2 polyplastic and have it just as an undercoat, under blanket, because the 2 meters width is enough to cover the sides, nearly to cover the top. That time there's bugs inside the hammock. I can always upend the hammock to get the bugs out if there's any in there. I think there are bugs. So yeah, 3 meters, because that's 2 meters long, that silver sheet. So 3 meters would give me pretty much complete coverage. And the sun's going down soon. No food tonight. Well, I brought some sausages that I cooked up before I left. I couldn't be asked doing noodles. Having a fire when I'm roasting. The coldest it's going to get tonight, in theory, is 17 Celsius. Hopefully up here with all this wind, and it is fucking windy, it should cool down quite a bit soon. But yeah, it's a shame the split, because otherwise that would have been bloody perfect. But it's not designed to be used in this much of a rough and tumble way. It's designed to be put on the ground, sit your ass on it, and have a picnic. I think it cost me £8. I think, I'm not 100% sure. It was less than 10 quid anyway, or at the most 10 quid. So yes, I'm going to take it down, fold it up, because I'm going to need something underneath me. And although I could try and turn it around, no, fuck it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take it down, fold it up, or fold it in half, and have it inside. Or maybe have it with the unripped end inside. See, it's only ripped, it's ripped halfway. So I could just sleep down this end, actually. My biggest issue with this though would be the same issue with under blanket. It's going for a piss at night. For some reason I piss a lot while I'm sleeping in a hammock. Not in a hammock, but you know, leaning over and getting the cock out. So rather than getting out, I just like to lean over, get a semi and have a go. It's like 4 times last night. It's not like a trickle, it's like gallons. So that would have been a great idea if I'd had it hanging lower. If I'd had that hanging lower down, because I think it's split because when I got in there, I got in at one end and it just split it in half. I'm not sure how long that would have lasted with the wind. It does get really windy up here. So I got it folded over and tied. So that's how hammocks actually work. You gather it all up together and then tie it. That's how all hammocks work, basically. So yeah, fail, but knowledge has been gained. Next time, inflatable mattress. I might still bring this actually, because it's not so much for my lower end, it's for my main torso. Because if for some reason the inflatable mattress always seems to go at a friggin' angle, diagonal inside the hammock. So having something that I can just put my arms on when I spread out at night. So I might actually cut it in half, bring half with me and have that just to line the top half underneath the inflatable mattress. I mean, it's a nice idea, it's just, it's too weak. It's not designed for this. I need to go and get some music on because I'm sat here gibbering and shivering. Yeah, I'm starting to shiver now. Yeah, it's that wind. I mean, I took off the sweaty shirt, put on a dry one, but still, it's fucking windy. Right, music. So, due to the excessive wind, I've got my oven ready inside again somewhere. It'll sort itself out later. Magic pixies will do it. Yeah, it is extremely windy. It's died down a bit now, but the sun's gone down over there. So I've got one of my rain tarp fly sheet thingies underneath. It's not going to be in tight, but it's just going to give me a little bit of extra by the time it gets pulled down and pulled up. Just give me a little bit of extra underneath, because it's not going to, in theory, it's not going to rain. So that one's going to be underneath here. The other one is going to be on top, and the wind's changed direction. Bollocks! They hate that. Before the wind was coming from this side, now it's coming from over there. Yeah, it could be a bit of a nippy night. No, I've had Japanese people. Not that kind of nippy. It's all an experiment, it's all a learning curve when you're in your mid-50s and crippled. Still, I do have some more sausages to eat.